That's very interesting because as you were talking about the thyroid, like you're right that fertility is not just about ovaries and uterus, but it's also a part of a hormonal system that works with the other glands.
Absolutely.
And so this is why we say Chinese medicine is a holistic approach. It means that we treat the whole body and the whole systems, so it's optimal.
And then now that you're mentioning it, I would say that the thyroid deficiency is one of the main things that's underlooked. So the numbers can be in range, like when you get your test. However, we want like an optimal range, like we call it the functional range, and those numbers should be much better. So the TSH is one of the numbers that is looked at, and for a good functioning thyroid, the numbers should be low. So it's like very good function is a low number, and often if you're like just within the range or in the middle, a little bit above, they say it's okay, but it's not optimal for getting pregnant. So we encourage people to both see an endocrinologist usually, and also we really help with other supplements that we can mention in another video, and acupuncture and some other herbs to stimulate that thyroid that is so essential for getting pregnant.
You have the laboratory,
the lab
normal
test.
range, and you have the functional range.
Absolutely.
Right? It is very different.
Very, very different, yes.
So we're able to make the referrals to
and we can look at those numbers when you give it to us. And actually, I prefer when it's a much wider test. When you come to see us, we give you the list of tests regarding thyroid that you should make, and often the other piece that's often underlooked is the Hashimoto, which is an autoimmune disease that does not appear in most tests, and if you don't actually get tested for that, you might miss out on a lot. And this is when you start saying, no gluten, no dairy, and how many pregnant women we got, how many women we got pregnant by just doing that, doing like no more gluten, no more dairy, and take one supplement for Hashimoto, and then here you go.
Great.